In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go break even on FX Replay. So first of all, this is a really simple process to do, guys. If you want to go break even, all we simply need to do is obviously be in a trade. So once you are ready to place a trade, you can go ahead and place it wherever you like. So let's just say we are going to take a trade from this bullish candle right here. Click on obviously your risk to reward tool. And now we want to go ahead and set our trades. So obviously set your stop loss, set your take profit, and then what we can do now is place this trade. So place order, come down, I will set a limit order on 1%, click on save, and then now we're ready to take this trade. So what we can do now is play price forward. As you can see, we come back up, we get tagged into the trade, and then obviously what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go break even once this low is broken down here. So if I just change this to more of a solid line, once this breaks, I'm going break even. So let's just play price forward and see what happens. So as you can see, we come down and now we have broken this line. So for me, this is my signal to go break even. So what I can do is I can come to the right hand side here, click on my stop loss, and as you can see, I can now drag it around. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my stop loss to my entry. And then this means now I'm break even and this trade is now risk free. So it's just that simple to go break even, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.